up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be working with my top #1 favorite company, and that is Nadula. As you can see from the title, I was sent a Kinky straight, I believe 24-inch frontal wig. Now this is the same color you guys know I was just recently in love with, and y'all, this color is just doing it for me. I love this color. Okay, this is like my third time, I believe, having this specific color, and I love it. But y'all, let's get into this hair. Not only do Nadula has transparent lace, now they have transparent stocking caps. Where is it at so I can show you guys? Like, okay, so you guys know before you would literally see my cap. Nah, y'all, look at the transparent case. I say case. Look at the transparent caps they have now, y'all. Literally. So we don't have to go like the extra mile to do all the blending and stuff like that. Like, literally, you can just throw it on and you don't see my cap nowhere. Okay, that's one. Two, this is my second time working with Kinky straight hair. Yeah, this is my second time working Kinky straight hair, and y'all, the first time I ever received Kinky straight hair, it did not get this straight. Y'all, this hair got so freaking straight, it surprised me. That's why I went the extra mile to do a whole different style after I straightened it. I was like, let me throw some curls in this hair just because, like, this hair really surprised the heck out of me, and I'm in love. I mean, it's Nadula. I should have known. Like, Nadula never ever disappoints me. And I'm telling y'all, don't sleep on Nadula. Nadula dead has the best lace out there, the best hair. Y'all already know, like, I love me some Nadula. Y'all would not even be able to tell this is like Kinky straight hair because of how straight it got and how silky it is. What I can say about Kinky straight hair is I love the natural look it gives. Like, I feel like if this was like regular, you know, straight hair, it wouldn't, I don't know, Kinky straight does have like this look to it where it looked so natural. Like, it looked like it could be a hair, even though it is, because it's going straight on my scalp, period. But it just gives that, I don't know, like that natural look to it. And I really, I feel like I'm falling in love with Kinky straight hair even more. But I will only get it from Nadula because I don't know. You guys already know I highly recommend this hair. I highly recommend this company overall. All the hair details will be down below. Even the link to this same exact wig. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.